Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious egg cucumber salad. First, hard-boil 6 to 8 large eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are firm. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to cool completely. Once chilled, carefully peel the eggs and chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. This ensures a great texture throughout your salad. Next, let's prepare our fresh vegetables. Take one large English cucumber and dice it into small, uniform pieces. This adds a refreshing crispness to the salad. Also, finely chop 2 celery stalks. Their crunch is a wonderful contrast. For an extra burst of flavor, you might want to include about 1/4 cup of fresh dill or chives, finely minced. Now, let's craft the creamy dressing that brings everything together. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Stir in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle kick. Season with about 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to give it a lovely tang. Finally, it's time to combine all our delicious ingredients. Gently place the chopped eggs and prepared vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Pour the creamy dressing you just made over the entire mixture. Stir everything carefully until all components are well coated and evenly distributed. For the best flavor, chill the salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.